Shashank from ECE. Today we will discuss some elementary graphs and GUI in MATLAB. Coming to unit step function, in MATLAB we are having a inbuilt unit step function, so we are going to use that. And t greater than or equals to 0. If t is greater than or equals to 0, then for every value of t greater than 0, it will be 1. Stem is used for discrete value system. And going to the second one is rectangular wave. It is I think it is yes. Unit. Going to the ramp function. Ramp function is 0 for all t less than 0, and it is increases if t is greater than 0. Stem is used for discrete value system. And here we are going to, it is a sinusoidal function, and 2 pi, actually it is y equals to amplitude into sine into 2 pi into t. Here frequency I took it as 1, and going to the plot function. Here the real value exponential function. Since I took the power as positive, we will get an increasing function. If here I took the power as negative, so we will get a decreasing function. And the last one, it is a complex exponential function. I is a iota, and I equals to root over minus 1. Plot 3 is used because of 3-dimensional. Z label can also be labeled. And in unit function, in ramp function, when we run the function, and we get, see, this is ramp function. So and this is the sinusoidal function, continuous and discrete values. And when we run the function will run. And this is the exponential increasing continuous function, exponential decreasing continuous function, and these are discrete values for discrete values. And for complex exponential function, we will get a graph like this, 3D function, 3D graph. These are discrete values. And for this is for, I think, this is a causal exponential function. Means for t less than 0 it is 0, for t less than 0 it is 0, and for t greater than 0 it varies exponentially. If you run the function, you can see the graph. This is a casual exponential function and discrete. Then going to the impulse function, area under the impulse function from minus infinity to plus infinity should be 1. So for t less than equals to 0 and greater than equals to 0, it should be 0, and when t equals to 0, it should vary from 0 to infinity. It can be 1 or 2, anything. This is the impulse for continuous and discrete values. For a rectangular function, I didn't find any inbuilt function, so I created a loop so that it will look like a function, a rectangular pulse. When we run the function, we can get a rectangular pulse. This is a rectangular pulse, and here we can see the second part of the question. We have to take a sawtooth. It is for a sawtooth function. we have to take a frequency, and the time period is 1 by t, 1 by frequency. So when we run the function, we can see that it is here in question they asked only the continuous, so no need of discrete function. Going to the second one, pulse width. Here pulse width and pulse width periods are the inbuilt functions in MATLAB. So for generating a pulse function, we can use these inbuilt functions, and when we run the function, these are the pulse functions for continuous values. And going to the next one, this is a square function is also an inbuilt function in the MATLAB, so we can use that for generating a square pulse. So this is a square pulse, almost like a sine graph, but it is square. And the next one, we can go to a rectangular pulses can also be generated using sawtooth inbuilt functions. And see the run function, we can see by changing the value in here 1 by 2, we can change the side look of a triangle. And going to next one, line space sine. This is a sinusoidal with continuous values. You can see the function. And next one is generating a 4 elementary signals, and adding the generating 3 elementary signals, and the fourth one is a summation of previous 3. And when we run the function, we can see the function of the last summation of 3 sinusoidal signals. And the next one is the product of the 2 elementary signals. When we run the function, we can see that it is values from 0 to 1. And when going to the GUI, we can design a app or using a MATLAB designer. This is the design view, and this is the code view. We have to write a code here, and the design view, we have to design the app how it should look. And we can we can add some of the components. We have many components here. I use some of like lamp and switch, push button, and drop down menu is the basic, and axis is also everyone uses it. And here you can change the text of a components, and you can change the look of a app. And going to the code view, we can change the code of a app, and you can change the inside look. So when we run the program, you get the app like this. And for a signal function, continuous signal plot. Yes. And sinusoidal, we can get a sinusoidal function. Basically, we can design an app using a MATLAB, and this is a basic elementary. So this is an impulse function. For a discrete function also we can do. For a, see, you can see the difference between continuous and difference. And for sawtooth, discrete plot is like this, and for continuous plot it is like this. So that's it, and